Hey guys, it's Jenny from Southern Savers. We're gonna head into Walgreens and check out all the deals. If you looked at the list, it may not seem super fun, but they are running an overarching buy $25 and get a $5 reward bonus this week. And when you start to pair in the deals that don't appear to be free with that bonus, it makes for some pretty good deals. So let's head in and check them all out. Remember, all the deals I'm gonna mention and all the coupons, head to southernsavers.com/Walgreens, and you will see all the deals, all the coupons, and be able to make your own shopping list to head in and grab everything that I'm showing you. There's an unadvertised deal for Pantene this week. The ad said it was $3.99. It is $3.99, but there's also a register award printing, and you'll see this on the tag in your store, that when you buy 3 of them, you're gonna get a $3 register award back. Pretty sweet, because we just got coupons in Sunday's paper for $5 off of 3. So grab 3 of them at $3.99 a piece, use your $5 off coupon. I mean, guys, in the end, you're basically paying $7 for all 3 of them after the coupon, and you're still gonna get back that $3 reward. This is a pretty sweet deal, so it's a good way to stock up on Pantene, but it's also a great item to throw into your cart for the overall deal this week that is in the front of the ad. So as we go through all the deals in the store, that's really what I want you guys to be thinking about, is this guy right here. For every $25 purchase, you can get a $5 register award. These deals can count. So you're throwing in basically $12 worth of Pantene. You're halfway there. All that matters is that you grab $25. You do not use points here. Don't pay with points. It will affect the register award printing, but you can use manufacturer's coupons. So pair in that $5 off Pantene, and then let's hop over and let's check out the other deals to grab, like free oral care. Add all of those together into one purchase. Do not pay with points, pay with manufacturer's coupons, and you're gonna get that additional reward back. So may not be the super cheap, less than $1 that you would love to have, but after that additional reward, it totally is. So add this one to the list. Grab a pretty good deal on Almay Makeup this week. We've got coupons from the 2-9 inserts for $3 off face, $2 off eye, and $1 off lip. So those are the coupons you want to use, but we also have a sale and a reward. So this week, all Almay Makeup is buy one, get one half off. So pick whichever you want, it's all included. Plus, when you grab 2 of them, you're gonna get a $5 reward. Now, if your store's like mine, the reward's actually not tagged. It's not mentioned at all. Don't worry, it's on the back page of the ad. So it is a deal. You will be able to tell the cashier if something goes wrong. It should have printed. Grab 2 Almay products, buy one, get one half off. Use 2 coupons from that 2-9 insert. The best deal definitely is to go face, and it's actually to go with concealers. Those are always the cheapest face products that you can find. You could end up with concealers around $1.90 a piece after the coupon and the sale. Now, the other part to think about is what I mentioned with the Pantene. At $9.99 for the concealer, that's really $15 towards your $25 purchase to get that additional $5 register award. So in the end, you're paying $1.90 for each of those, but you're over halfway there. Throw in that Pantene deal, you see where this is going, you're gonna have some really, really cheap deals. So that's what I want you to focus on this week. Overarching focus for Walgreens, not necessarily looking at, is it free, is it not free, but how much does it get me towards my $25 purchase? And this one definitely gets you there. So throw in 2 Almay, use 2 of those $3 off coupons, and you're gonna be doing pretty good at a $15 total before $6 in coupons, and then get back a $5 reward. So our sweet Arm & Hammer deal that we had at CVS last week, it's at Walgreens this week. Buy 1 and get 2 for free. So in my Walgreens, this is $6.99. So you're gonna pay $6.99 for 1 of them. You're then gonna get 2 of them completely free. There are no coupons here anymore. All of our coupons expired, but still, you're going to get 3 for $7. I would add this to the cart. Not only is it helping you get to that $25 needed for the bonus $5 register award, but it's also a pretty sweet deal. No coupons needed. Buy 1, get 2 free. So fun, don't miss it. If you happen to have a Rite Aid anywhere near you, they are also running this exact same price this week. So it's a Walgreens and Rite Aid deal. I'm like on a personal mission to make sure you never miss this sale. They run it about every 3 to 4 weeks, and it's back this week. So grab one of the nice or new Comfort Home, that's the new brand that's kind of taking over for their house brand. Buy one of them, get 2 free on all storage bags. So that could be freezer, storage, or sandwich. Their regular price is $2.79. So you're buying one for $2.79, getting 2 more for free. Makes it 93 cents a piece, or the best price that we see on plastic bags by far. So hopefully this one's always on your radar. Just skip the name brands and always come in for this sale. It's running all week long, but we do see it about every 3 or 4 weeks. Now, one thing to note on this sale, many times this also includes smaller trash bags, and it does not this week. So you want to just stick with the storage bags, which you probably need anyway. One deal that I am slightly excited about, guys, completely free Expo and Sharpie markers. So this week they're all buy one, get one, meaning buy 2 of them. One of them is going to be completely free, and you're going to get 2,000 balance reward points back when you buy one, but you have to buy 2. So you're going to buy 2, you're going to get 4,000 points back because you bought 2. And look at those prices. They start at like $2.50, depending on the ones you get. The cheapest item would be these Sharpie highlighters. They're $2.49. Buy one, get one. You're gonna pay $2.49. You're gonna get back 4,000 points. These guys are $3.79, still free. Grab 2 of them. You're gonna pay $3.79, get back 4,000 points. See where this is going. Remember, with balance rewards, there's technically not a limit here. You will keep earning the points for the ones that you grab. So mix and match this if you want. The cheaper item will be the one that's free. So I would recommend mixing and matching with items that are about the same price. But anything that you grab that is under $4, it's gonna be free after those points. So definitely add this one to your list this week. And be ready for stores to probably sell out pretty quickly, so I'd shop earlier rather than later. We've got a fun $1 moneymaker on Crest and Oral-B products this week. Specific products are on sale for $2.99, and when you buy 3 of them, you're gonna get back a $4 reward. Now, this is good on Crest toothpaste, Oral-B toothbrushes, and some Crest mouthwashes. My store doesn't even sell Crest mouthwash, so that wasn't an option. The best part about this, you can do this with all digital coupons using the Walgreens app if you want, or using coupons from Sunday's paper. So here's the deal. Grab Oral-B toothbrush, $2.99. Scan the barcode with the Walgreens app. There is a $2 off Oral-B digital coupon on 1 toothbrush. Pretty sweet. So grab 1 toothbrush. Then Crest toothpaste. You can scan the barcode here. We've got a couple of options. We've got a $2 off Crest toothpaste coupon, or we have a coupon for $3 off too. So it's whatever one you want to grab. You could go all Crest if you wanted to there. Grab 3 tubes of Crest toothpaste, use the $3 and the $2. These are still gonna come out to be free. Really doesn't matter. There's also $2 coupons in Sunday's paper for Crest. So my plan, I'm using the $2 digital for the toothbrush. I'm using a $2 digital on the toothpaste and a $2 coupon from Sunday's paper. That's $6 in coupons. Now you grab 3 of them at $2.99 a piece, that's $9 worth of products. So you're gonna pay $9, you're gonna use $6 worth of coupons, total do $3 and get back 4. Kind of fun. And again, this is gonna pair in towards that $25 purchase if you want the $5 register reward bonus with the coupon on the front of the paper. This is a moneymaker. You should grab this. Even if you hate Crest, you should grab this and donate it if you don't wanna use it, but you're still making a buck to buy 3 products. So there you go, guys. A lot of good deals. Kind of excited about free Sharpies and Expos, moneymaker toothpaste and toothbrushes. Once you start to add all these things up, you're totally going to be able to hit the $25 needed to get that $5 reward bonus. Now, one other note on that reward bonus, when it scans, when you want to turn around and use it, it is just a $5 off any $5 purchase coupon. So if you end up getting a points booster that also prints, you can use those together. Just make sure that you buy enough product to get the point booster. It's just a $5 coupon. So pretty sweet. You can turn around and use that bonus on anything that you want in the store. And it's super easy to earn with a lot of freebies. You know, buy one, get 2 detergents, throw in the Pantene, throw in the Crest, and throw in some Sharpie markers, and you're totally there at that $25 that is needed. And then you're gonna earn that extra bonus on top of it. It's gonna come out to make most of what you're grabbing free and a very good week at Walgreens. Now remember all the deals that I've mentioned, the coupons that I've mentioned. If you head to southernsavers.com/Walgreens, you can make your own shopping list and be ready to go. Try to make this as easy as I can for you to get into the store. Also, make sure to subscribe so that you can catch all the weekly deal videos as we post them. Thanks for watching, guys.